channel with another video. Hope you guys are doing good. So guys, it's a Saturday and it's a Saturday night, and as I told you in my previous video that it's so hot here in Dubai. The temperature is almost 51 Celsius guys. So it's really not possible, you know, to go outside and make videos. So what I'm planning to do some indoors videos, and it's a Saturday night. So I'm planning to go today, you can say Shisha Parlor or Hookah Cafe. So it's an indoor, you know, cafe where we can do Shisha and can do dinner with your friends. So it's gonna be Saturday night. Actually we have a Saturday ladies night in Shisha Cafe here in Dubai, and I'm planning to go there. So it's gonna be fun guys. बने रहिए वीडियो पे, बहुत ही मजा आएगा. So let's go. Okay, and we got a taxi. Hey, what's up guys? So we already here, place called Hookah Cafe, and it's really good guys. You can see behind me. They have like really nice Indian music, and the sitting arrangement is really lovely. Plus food now, we are planning to order some food for us, and so confused like यहाँ पे ये दो लड़कियाँ हैं, ये बहुत confused है कि क्या order करें, and still they are, you know, planning what to order. Shruti and Neelam planning to order something. What do you have guys? क्या है ऑर्डर के लिए? स्पेशल क्या है यहाँ पे?
चिकन चारकोल.
चिकन चारकोल
स्पेशल है.
So you're going to order chicken charcoal?
Yes.
How about you, Shruti?
I don't know.
Actually it's new place for Shruti and me, and for Neelam. Neelam तू हमेशा आती है यहाँ पे, right? हाँ? अबे हंस रही क्या है? बोल, हमेशा आती है नहीं आती है?
Yes.
एक नंबर की टल्ली और चर्सी है तो इसीलिए आती है हमेशा.
Which one? Which finger you want?
Which finger?
Which finger?
मिडल वन. लाइक अभी हम प्लान करेंगे कि शीशा में क्या ऑर्डर करना है, एंड फॉर द शीशा दे हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शन विद सो मेनी फ्लेवर्स. सो अगेन इट्स कन्फ्यूजन पॉइंट कि क्या बेस्ट रहेगा. एज आई सेड कि नीलम लाइक वो हमेशा आती है यहाँ पे, सो शी इज़ द वन हु नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट, यू नो, शीशा. सो लेट्स सी कि वो क्या ऑर्डर करती है. एंड द प्लेस बिहाइंड मी, इट्स लुक सो गुड विद इंडियन म्यूजिक गाइस. आई जस्ट लव दिस प्लेस. Guys, my shisha is getting ready now. I just love it. Feels so good guys. Feels so good guys. And you know what? Like यहाँ पे शीशा कैफे में actually वहाँ पे इन्होंने हमें गेम भी दिए हैं. So you can play Ludo also here while having shisha. You can play Ludo. So it's my turn now. Let me check. 5 and 3. No, fuck. That's so sad. It's okay. You can do it directly, no problem.
Got stuck. What is this?
6, yeah. Cheater. 6, yay. Give me high five.
Okay.
Again 6. I got it 6 one more time. You.
Like this.
Oh, it's fine for me. 1. Okay, I'll play you. Make it fast. 1. Okay, fine. 5.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop cheating, huh?
नीलम ध्यान रख रही है गेम पे, बाय द वे.
वो तू रहेगा तो रखना ही पड़ेगा.
ओके. सो गाइज यू नो व्हाट, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे गेम्स है, लाइक अलग अलग गेम्स है. आप वाइल हैविंग शीशा आप अलग अलग गेम खेल सकते हो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. सो इट्स गोना बी नो फन. सो लाइक इफ यू आर लाइक सैटरडे नाइट एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी प्लान टू गो एनीवेयर, आई एम गोना टेल यू गाइज यू हैव टू कम हियर एंड एंजॉय दिस लवली कैफे. आई ट्रस्ट मी गाइज यू गोना लव इट. अभी नीलम रिंग निकालेगी. वो
I didn't want you one.
अरे
बातमी को बोला चलो मी छान घेऊ का
Okay, so guys, we have ordered our lovely meal here, dinner, and what we have here, chicken. Can you please explain, Neelam? This one is
chicken charcoal.
okay, chicken charcoal, and how about this?
Szechuan rice.
Szechuan rice, and what else?
Sauces. Nothing else.
Yeah, that's the fruit,
Salad.
yeah, salad and sauces. And so it's gonna be good meal, guys, and it looks so yummy. And what happened? Why you guys are laughing? क्या हुआ मुझे भी बताओ क्यों हंस रहे हो? मैंने कुछ गलत एक्सप्लेन किया नहीं, right? So what happened? What happened, Shruti? Something is going on. Something is going on. Something is going on. Let me try this one.
Chicken charcoal is really yummy.
I put that. Indua. Keep rolling. Let me test. I'm gonna tell you guys. Wow, I just love it. This
Right.
fries are really good.
Here.
Yeah. Fries are really good. I'm gonna try this one. This one looks so yummy, actually, right? Neelam? Which one is your favorite? You tried this one before, right?
Yeah. This one
Okay.
is my favorite.
Okay. Give me. Let me try. I'm super excited. I got it. Here we go. Let me try this one. I wanna try. That's really nice, guys. This one looks nice.
Bone.
Let me try.
Cheddar.
Wow. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to try this one. Let me try this one. What is this?
Beta karu.
Neelam, ये क्या है? Szechuan triple rice. Let me test. Actually, it's really good. यहाँ पे actually अब जब आओगे, so first of all जो यहाँ का atmosphere है, it's really good. Like you can see, Indian song is going on, which is romantic one. I really like. And sitting arrangement is so good, and food quality is really good. So I love it. So guys, we are about to finish now, and it's really good. We had a good time here. Actually यहाँ पे शीशा plus food, it's so good. Actually हमने बहुत अच्छा time spend किया, and I'm gonna suggest you guys, you must visit here. You will love it, trust me. Especially on Tuesday night, like you can say for Tuesday, they have best offers. If you're planning to come here, what's the name of this cafe? I forgot again. Sorry. Dhua. It's gonna be Dhua Cafe, right? It's just next to Karama, guys. Trust me, you will love this place. You must visit, and they have amazing offers for shisha, for food. You guys will love it. So if you like this video, guys, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the like button, guys, and share this video to your friends and family. See you in the next video. Stay safe and take care, guys. See you. That's a lovely song. That's gonna be nice song, guys. Here the songs are really awesome. All Indians, Bhangra, DJ, everything is here, guys. You're gonna be love this place. See you guys in the next video. Take care.